Today I'm unboxing this Polaroid Go instant camera. You could already see how much smaller this is than the Polaroid Now. So this is a really cute retro little box. So let's see what's inside. Okay, so we have the camera, a lanyard, a book and a quick start guide. Also some stickers here, which is fun. So they really tried to make this a fun little device, and a USB-C to USB-C charging cable. So let's look at the camera. So it's a really cool little device here. You've got just a few buttons, a flash, the button to take a photo, and the flash button. Then the viewfinder here, and the on-off switch, and this is where your lanyard cable can go. Then this is where the photos will come out, and the USB charging port. So let's try this out. And this thing is very easy to use. You just charge it with the supplied USB cable, and once it's charged, you can easily slide in the photos right at the bottom. Just open that latch up and then click those in. And first the black test one will come out, and after that you can start shooting these photos. You can see how many you have left. And the quality is great. I mean, look at these, and it's a nice little memory.